All right guys, day number 2 on the Troxus Lynx. This is gonna be a folding fat tire e-bike. Unfortunately, it does have a step-through frame, which I'm not a fan of, but it has a really dope paint job. It's also got some dope components like hydraulic brakes, a 750 watt motor, and a 48 volt battery. If you guys are interested in learning more about this bike, I will leave a link to it in the description down below. Today we're getting an early start. It's currently 7 a.m. Lately it's been super hot. Yesterday it was like 108 degrees. I couldn't even freaking film. So we had to wake up extra early. We're gonna ride over to a local park. I'm gonna switch out this giraffe stem for a turtleneck stem and BMX bars. This is my second time riding this bike, so I really don't know performance-wise how it is. It seems pretty fast initially, but we're gonna do some testing along our journey. We're currently in pedal assist 5, only going 19 miles per hour. I wonder what the top speed is on this bike. The bike does have a throttle on the left-hand side. It is a thumb throttle. Let's see what our top speed is, throttle only. This is not GPS verified. Let's see, 19.6, 19.7. Looks like it's cutting out at 19, almost 20 miles per hour, not quite. Let's go ahead and pedal a little bit, see if we can go any faster. Currently pedaling and the bike is not picking up any speed, guys. So this bike definitely has a speed limiter on there, and we will be trying to change that in this video. Currently going uphill and the bike seems like it has decent power, but I feel like we can unlock it. So let's go ahead and pull over really quick. Damn, look at that view. That is amazing. So in order to make this bike faster, I believe you need to hold the plus and minus button. It's right underneath right here if you guys can see it. So you hold the plus and minus button at the same time for a couple seconds, and now you can dive into the menu settings. We need to scroll all the way over to P05. All right, I believe this is a speed setting. So all you need to do is hit the power button once, and now you can up the speed. Let's see how fast we can go on this bike. All right, look, max speed they're claiming is 62 miles per hour. I highly doubt that, but we're gonna see right now. All right, let's see if we can go 62 miles per hour on this bike. That'd be crazy. 19, 18, 20, finally picking up speed. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Currently going 19. Only 19 miles per hour, no way. I thought this bike was way faster than that. Let's see if we pedal, can we go any faster, man? Come on. Oh, there we go. All right, so throttle maxes out at 20 miles per hour, but if you pedal, you can go like 25 miles per hour. So far, this ride is going pretty good. The weather is perfect. We're almost at our first destination. We're gonna be switching out these bars. I can't wait for that. Yeah, today's going pretty good. All right, and we're approaching our first destination. Good morning.
Nope.
Is it just me, or are you guys seeing more and more of these signs pop up at like every single park? If e-bikes are seen in restricted areas, please immediately contact sheriffs. That's crazy. They're promoting snitching out here. Let's go ahead and turn around. So check out the bars. We have BMX style handlebars. We got a BMX stem. And I also brought a turtleneck shorty. Take a look at the bike, how it looks now. All right. It's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Check out this long giraffe neck stem. All right. See how long it is, right? All right. This is a before shot. All right. Because this bike is about to be transformed into the ultimate BMX step through fat tire folding e-bike. You guys ready? Here we go. All right guys, back on the bike. It already feels 100 times better. Like, this is how a bike is supposed to feel. I don't know how to explain it on video. Dude, every single folding e-bike should come with the turtleneck stem at this point. There's no reason why you should have a long giraffe neck stem. Now we're recording. For some reason we weren't recording, guys. So you guys missed out on a ton of footage. That freaking sucks. All right, we're gonna bust a left over here. I think we're going the right way. What is this? Dude, where am I? No, let's bust a right. What is that? Is that private? No, that's private property. I'm not trying to get shot. Dude, I'm lost. And I don't think I'm in the right neighborhood. Smells like freaking horses and cow manure. All right, let's do a top speed run. Pedal assist, GPS verified. Here we go. Currently going. Are we in pedal assist 5? Yes, we are. We're in pedal assist 5 and we're currently going 20 miles per hour. Hold on, there's a stop sign. Let's recalibrate. Let's recalibrate. All right, let's try this again. Currently going 17 miles per hour. This is a slight decline right here, so this is kind of cheating. It's okay though. 21 miles per hour, dude. Come on. Where's the speed at? 22? 22, barely? Okay, this bike's not that fast. 24, but we're going downhill. This is all gravity. This is not even the motor doing anything right now. There's a dope trail over there. Let's go this way. We are out in the middle of nowhere, and I love it. Woo! This horse is freaking bucking. Oh, that's dope. We got to go over there. We might have to double back. What is this? Can we get some air? Hold on. Oh, that's sick. Yeah, this is dope. I primarily use throttle when I ride. I don't really like pedaling, especially on off-road trails. And if this bike was just a little faster with the throttle, I would be happy. But maybe this is something good to get your wife, and then you can get the fast e-bike, you know? Dude, there's trails all over this freaking place. This is cool, this is cool. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Suspension is working pretty good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Where does this lead to? Hopefully not a coyote's den. Uh-oh, we're gonna have to go uphill. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and pedal. We're gonna drop the gear to gear 6. See how much power we can get out of this bike. Oh, let's drop it to 5. Can we make it up the hill? It's doing okay, but it's slowing down. We're gonna do it though. We're gonna pump it louder. And just like that, we made it to the top of the hill. This is cool, this is cool. Sun is coming out now. It's looking like it's gonna be a beautiful day, guys. What are you saying? All right, there's more trails. We're gonna go down this way and venture yonder. I don't know, here we go. Woo! We're flying. Oh no, 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 no. Slow down, slow down, slow down. And then this is gonna cut through like this. Love to see it. Let's slow down a little bit, use those hydraulic brakes and power through. Nice. And we are working with 58% battery life. It's pretty decent. Should be enough to get back home. We're gonna bust a right here. We're gonna try to find a open road to see where we're at, because I have no clue. Hello. Good morning. Such a beautiful day.
It's great right now.
I know, I got up super early before it started getting hot.
Yeah.
This is it right here.
What do you have on your, so is that?
This is a camera.
No kidding.
Yeah, so I'll record my rides.
Oh, that's awesome.
For YouTube, for YouTube.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So I review electric bikes.
Okay, which one should I buy?
Electric XP.
Really?
Electric XP.
Okay.
Yeah.
Electric XP.
Yeah.
Oh, that is awesome. Good for you.
Yeah, so this is what I get to do for a living, just ride my bike.
So do you live in town?
Yeah, I live in Marietta.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Oh, that is awesome.
So I've been trying to beat the heat and waking up extra early just so I can get a good ride in.
Oh, that's
And meet nice people like you.
Oh, that's
What was your name?
Marsha.
Marsha? You're gonna be in my video.
Oh, that's too bad.
What's your dog's name?
Poncho.
Poncho, that's a cool name.
Yeah, that's Poncho.
Well, nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, you take care.
All right, see you. Have a good walk and have a good day.
Thank you.
That was Marsha and Poncho, guys. I think that leads to a main street. Let's go over there. This was fun, but I think we need to come back with a stronger bike and some protection. All right, which street is this? Okay. Yeah. There's another trail too, by the way. What the heck? Hold on, let me just see this real quick. This is crazy. I didn't even, look, that's where I came from. And then there's more over here. Look at this. What is that? What is that? I'm not gonna do it today, but guys, there's more to explore. Still don't know where we're at, by the way. Kind of have an idea. I think we're close to my dad's house. I just don't know which street to turn on to get to like a main street. Am I going deeper into the freaking neighborhood? This is a nice neighborhood, by the way. Whoever lives over here, you're lucky. Not lucky, but you're on your shit. I guess I can comment on the bike's performance. We're currently going uphill. We have 53% battery life. We're going 15 miles per hour and pedal assist 5, gear 8. So the bike is performing decently. Dude, I'm trying to live over here. Look at that freaking house. Dude, that's amazing. Look at the freaking front yard. Oh yeah. This is the neighborhood right here. Oh, this is sick. Currently going downhill, 28 miles per hour. We're letting gravity do all the work. This is dope. 31 miles per hour. Let's see if we can go faster. Throttle's not doing anything. Let's see. Here we go. Good morning.
Nope.
30 miles per hour. We're driving illegally. The speed limit is 30. We're going 33 miles per hour. Let's go. Woo! Hopefully there's no cops out. 34 miles per hour. Watch out, bird. 34 miles per hour. That's amazing. How do we get out? I just want to get out. I just want to go home. Our battery is slowly dying, and I am afraid that we're going to be pedaling this bike with 0 power all the way home. I'm so down. We're going to cut over here, hit this little pump track real quick. Type. Says no e-bikes, but I want to do it because I don't give a fuck and there's nobody here. So we're gonna hit it like this. Here we go, check this out. This is what this bike was made for. Nice. Oh, 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 oh. Sick, 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 sick. Oh, sick. Dude, this is crazy. We are flowing. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, yup. Try to do that with a freaking long giraffe neck stem. You won't be able to freaking do it. You won't be able to freaking do it. And if you are able to do it, you're gonna be looking like a freaking idiot. So what are we saying about this bike? Is it dope or is it nope? I'm gonna say it's like right in the middle. It's good. It's a good bike. It has a really dope paint job. And now that I switched to BMX bars, it looks amazing. Performance wise, it's okay. It is able to go like 24, 25 miles per hour. That's only if you pedal. If you're somebody that only likes to use throttle, the max speed is 20. But other than that, it has some pretty cool components. And I think this bike would look even better if I took off those fenders and that rear rack. If you guys want to learn more about the bike, I will leave a link to it in the description down below. Also, if you guys want to check out the turtleneck stem, head over to davidbrandnew.com. That's going to do it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, deuces like that. Yay!